Hi YouTubers, good evening, Rob Moffat. Guys, I'm getting ready to go to bed. I did a little cooking a little while ago, and I'm putting away my stuff, and I thought I'd just show you what's going on here. A lot of people complain about the high price of everything. This is one of the least expensive food items you can eat and purchase, but it's one of the most nutritious. Also, it's so simple. These are cans of beans that I buy from the Mormons online, the LDS website. And I bought these cans back in 2015. That's 11 years ago. I just take 1 cup of the beans, put them in a pressure cooker. I should say I soak these for 24 hours first, then put them in the pressure cooker for 15 minutes. And when I cook them, I just add a little bit of red pepper flakes, some parsley, a spoonful of onion broth based chicken bouillon, a little bit of ketchup, maybe a squirt or two, 1 spoonful of brown sugar, a spoonful of vinegar, and that's about it. Oh, and some onion flakes. And then after 15 minutes, I turn off the heat and let it sit. And when I'm done, I use my immersion blender to blend up most of it, but I take some out here that I can use these in tortillas and salad and so on. This is like 2 or 3 servings of beans. There's not a cup there, so like 1/3 a cup is a serving. I've got 4 servings of bean soup. This is really thick, creamy, because I use the immersion blender to blend it all. I would eat this in a restaurant. This is super. It may not look that appetizing because of the dark color. It's black beans. But there's no artificial this or that. There's no Frankenstein ingredients. It's all just really good eating. And this is the basis of a lot of healthy meals. And it's so simple, easy to make, and it tastes a lot better than you would imagine. Really fresh, cooked, homemade beans with a little bit of vinegar and sugar and the spices. It's a treat. And it all starts with just 1 tiny little cup of beans that you soak for 24 hours. A lot of people, they worry about storing beans for a long time because they get hard, and that's true. They will get hard, but if you soak them for at least 24 hours and then use the immersion blender, it breaks them up really good. And I find that cooking for 15 minutes in a pressure cooker is long enough. There's still a little bit of tenderness or a little bit of firmness left. It's not mushy. You can't go wrong with beans. Have it with cornbread or noodles or rice or whatever. There's so many things you can add. And now you have the liquid soup. Then you have the dry beans for your tortillas and salads and so on. So if you're complaining about high prices, get you some cans of beans and learn how to cook them. That's what I've been doing because I purchased these for prepping, but I figured I better learn how to cook them before something bad happens. You don't want to learn how to cook when it's too late. You want to learn how to make something delicious out of your food preparation before you actually need to cook them. So I recommend you get you some black beans or any type of beans and get you an immersion blender, get some spices and your pressure cooker, and you start experimenting and finding out how this, it doesn't sound like it's anything special, but fresh cooked bean soup is actually delicious. It's too late at night for me to eat this, but I'm going to have this tomorrow. All right, guys, take care. See you out there. Go get you some beans.